feel that content void as it relates to makeup artists just doing beauty and not trying to indulge into other stuff like SFX and illusions.
As we said, we want to grow it. So everybody say, hustle on. All right, yes, my lady.
Alright, so hi guys, my name is Shannon. I'm a first year marketing student. And wait, first, more say Petit Sue, I love you. Yeah, she inspired me for the makeup. So alright, so guys, I can make crochet swimmers for all the girls. Yeah, I can make crochet swimmers. I just started my business. It's tanlines.ja, so you can hit me up whenever I do every style, anything bikini, anything you want me to do it. Cheap.
I love that.
1 piece, 2 piece, 3 piece, tanlines.
6 piece in a dog.
Everything. And yeah, petty things, color.
Yeah. All right, and everybody say,
hustle on.
Last one on the floor. Oh no, we're running out of time.
Everyone, my name is Shamar Watson, and I have a YouTube channel called Coffee with Shamar, where each week I go to a different cafe and feature the cafe and I speak to an influential person. I started out with Nathan here. I want to tell her thanks for Smiley Bush. I have done with Brittany Clark, Miss Global Jamaica, and I spoke to Rush about going with him, so you can look out for a video with Rush soon. So it's Coffee with Shamar on Instagram and YouTube.
Excellent. Awesome. Away you come last one.
But just one big up flow right about now, you understand? Thank you for giving us this avenue, this platform to be here to interact and engage with you lovely people. I want to also thank each and every single one of you for coming out, so clap on yourself.
Alright, we want to thank all of our panelists for joining us for the first ever YouTubers Summit. This is big because I'm a dreamer, and what you mentioned in all of your vision statements here today is that this could be an international flow summit where I can see all of the Caribbean, all of Africa, all of the Americas, all of Europe coming to Jamaica for a digital and a YouTube summit. Yep. That would be huge. Make sure I'm the host flow. Karen. Copy it up, let me jump with them.
You gotta plug yourself.
You understand? So anyway, my lovely people, I want to acknowledge Javon Bailey. Where are you? Ladies and gentlemen, I've been honored to be your Minister of Ceremony, Master of Ceremony, host, whatever you want to call me. But remember, when you go out there, whatever you do, remember to give back. Because if the rest of the world is not good, we won't be good. We will die by the gun. We will die by crime. So although we're laughing, which is better for our soul, as long as we are lifting our society, we can laugh in peace. So walk good to all our comedians, all our beauty experts and educators on YouTube. Thank you. We're going to walk good and love each other more. On behalf of Flow, hustle on.
Alright, so we don't know what we do now. I don't know if you not hear me good. Hopefully you not hear me good and you not hear me bag and nice. Picture taking thing I go on. Look, I don't know how much footage we capture, see, because the camera is kind of on the side or something. I don't know how that is, see? But we're going to try to get some after footage through the sewer block. Mike and all these things for our head side. Jesus Christ! Blessings, Z.
Yes, some people would say I'm crazy, but I'm not crazy, but I'm happy. And happiness to me is so important, you know, being grounded in who I am and being authentic to who I am. Yeah, that's what's most important.
You may be authentic, but do you believe your followers are authentic?
Yes, I actually do, and this is a testament of how authentic my followers are.
All right, life for me as a YouTuber is kind of a sweet and sour, but more sweet than sour. It's very fun. You get up every day to do what you like, you know what I mean? Some you enjoy, and you get to see the responses of the people who are followers of what you do. It's a wonderful thing. Okay. The summit today was very fun. I enjoyed it. It's great to see other creators, other YouTubers. Some of these people I've never seen them in real life, like for quite some time. I think I Barry alone we meet. But in terms of the whole setup, shout outs to Flow for doing what they do and getting the people to come out, see us, speak to us. Most of them they probably want to see us behind the screen. So if we get to meet them in a person and talk to them, answer some questions that they probably have, when they probably send all in a DM when I get to talk about. So it's a great thing. I hope to see one next year with more YouTubers and a bigger event. Answer questions and them little things. Kind of hard to do still. I won't. I think. I will not. Summit's done. It's fun. Big up Flow. I'm grateful to meet some of the YouTubers who I never meet before. Of course you know of them, but you know. But yeah, we're there to answer questions on the car. See man, one of the madman them on YouTube, one of the big prankster them.
It's a boy Punk in the place.
Punkster.
Why is that tall, brother?
I show me people supposed to believe some shot.
Alright, yeah. It better now.
Yeah.
They don't know so they were the craziest boss, Kevin too crazy.
Yeah, make sure someone check them out on YouTube, you know.
Yeah, man,
I Heart Morning. Man, them thing different. They made no good.
Brother, boy, you are the inspiration.
Oh, bless you.
And you grew up and watch them thing there in a church.
Don't do that, bro.
You see? You man, tell us best of yourself. You see? Tell them can give. I'm not rich yet. You see? I'm bad.
Them sitting there, she asked for being that vlog. See? Put her up on camera and she skate down. Alright people, I hit that fit today, you see me? Let's see what I go on. As I said, hopefully I get enough footage to kind of sit there and focus. I violate. Hopefully I get enough footage can put it together. And get an experience, you see? Yo, don't say nothing about my shirt, see? I got a shirt I wear got Panama over there, but a wash. So now, listen. I don't know if you're going to see this before the Panama vlog, but I got a shirt here, see? You're not going to allow me with my shirt. Here? Oh. Home time. Go in home time. I don't think nothing else they have to put in that vlog. Most of the creators them attack and everything. Hey, that's it. Take a picture.
Yes, Jesus Christ. I say you tall Jesus Christ. Let me look.
Yo,
no, but yesterday basically you know me like 6'2", but you see because you're about like 6'6" or so, so
yeah,
you kind of
6'1".
Yeah, oh, you just flap, look like me there try to do a while ago.
See man, I say I have Dirty Berry and all them. So.
Oh yeah, Pang Mr. Prankster.
Pang back again.
Yo, Pang rate you know. The man say, yo, in my mind, it's like, and it was like, yo,
Yo, me tell the man something.
yo, me there on one time already, you know, like your friend them link you, and the man them just sit down and watch my Maka Kevin video. Me have like,
Right.
sometimes me have to be like, Jesus Christ, no man. You know, like when you look up in the replay and laugh after the same joke. I said, me have to say, Jesus
We did that
Christ.
video. We did that video with
Yo.
you as a reaction. Remember that? time?
Yeah. I mean, I tell them legit, sit down and I laugh over and
Good
over.
stuff,
Yo, them rate you bad.
Appreciate that.
Them rate you bad.
So, me link on what?
Yo, man, come down quickly.
Hopefully the vlog gonna become one of the vlog them when we just put on say forever.
Yeah, we have put them.
You know,
I have one vlog from Trinidad Carnival this year.
and I know you know do it.
I know you know come on, yo.
And the life of
That's
YouTubers,
a vlog stay,
people.
man.
Me so now, you see it.